Momshi! Sa araw na ito ay magluluto po ako ng pagkain ni Bibi Zia. So bago tayo magluto, syempre maghugas tayo ng kamay at hugasan po natin ang lulutuin natin ng maayos. So hiniwa ko na po yung carrots, tapos sunod po natin yung manok. Bali po ang lulutuin ko ngayon sa kanya ay chicken, tapos carrots with banana po. So slice muna natin yung manok para maayos at malambot agad. So i-steam ko po yung carrots at saka chicken.
Carrots, particularly good source of beta carotene, contain fiber to aid digestion, potassium, and they're low in calories. Banana are packed with carbohydrates to energize the body and essential nutrients that babies need to thrive, like folate, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium. Chicken is a source of critical nutrients for infants and toddlers as they grow and develop, including iron, zinc, protein, choline, and long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids. Cook for 10 minutes. Allow to cold. Transfer into the blender and water or milk. Blend until smooth. The desired consistency. Follow, share, and like for more video.